Hey guys, this is Mark here, and I know it's been a while I make a video, and to start this video, I'll be doing a small giveaway soon, so remember to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. All the links are right down below here in the description. As you know, the title of this video will be the Asus Zenfone for Selfie, and is it really good on 2020? So let's dive into it. First, let's get the overall look. I got the gold version of the device, and honestly I like the look, how clean it was, and the design of the device as well. And I do like the camera segment, which I do feel like there's a nice touch to it, and it makes the feel look more premium despite the plastic build. Although it's plastic build, Asus did make the phone look like aluminium, but once it's in your hand, it does not feel like aluminium at all. The Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie does come with 4 colors, which is black, mint green, rose gold, and gold. On the right side of the device is the power button and the volume button. On the top of the device is the active noise cancellation and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the bottom of the device is a microphone, micro USB, and the loudspeaker grill. I'm glad the SIM tray is not a hybrid SIM tray, so you can get 2 SIM cards installed on it and a micro SD card as well. The device feels nice to hold in hand, and it's going to be slippery if you don't snap a case on. The display features 5.5-inch IPS LCD display with 720p resolution with 16:9 aspect ratio. It has good color reduction and viewing angle, and we found it to be usable under sunlight. I hope they add a display mode where you can choose screen color option like vivid, standard, and some other as well. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you get the clear case, SIM ejector, the device itself, charging brick, earphone, earbuds, and the micro USB cable. The Asus Zenfone 4 Selfie comes with a Snapdragon 430 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, with micro SD card expansion up to 256GB. Right now I'm running on Android 7.1.1 with Asus Skin, which is Zen UI 4.0. Fingerprint unlock works okay, and it's quite slow, and I can't complain much for a great deal I got from Shopee. I'll link it down below, which I got it for $299, but I don't think you can get it now for $299. But if there's a deal for $299, you can just go and check it out. The device is not too slow and not too fast, it's just okay. But sometimes when it's really slow, and sometimes it is really fast, so I can't tell that's good or bad. Then if you compare it to any other devices, it's kind of slow. Then again, I've been using this phone for a couple of months. It's actually not that bad. Gaming on this device, honestly, you don't need to expect much from it. As I play high-end games, everything runs on low setting, and with medium setting, you will start to lag. With lower end games, it performs way better. I mean, well, it called lower end games for a reason anyway. And with games, it does get hot, but not overly too hot till your hand will melt. But the device starts to heat up whenever you scroll through Instagram or just Facebook itself. And with Wi-Fi, you don't get 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you'll be stuck with normal 2.4, which is honestly, from where I stand, is actually quite normal to have a 2.4. Here is some Geekbench score and Antutu score as well. The phone comes with a 3000 mAh battery. It sounded really small, but it can actually last you for more than 5 hours. And so prepare to bring your charging brick and also your battery bank anywhere you go. And charging surprisingly quite fast if you use a fast charger. And it's not like fast like OnePlus, like in 30 minutes 75% you get. But I mean, like, it's still decently fast. The speaker is a single bottom front-end speaker. It's not really that loud. Honestly, the quality of the speaker isn't that great either. So, I mean, here is some speaker tests. Okay, let's get to the camera. The Asus Zenfone 4 selfie main camera features a 60 megapixel with an f-stop of 2.2. The photo takes some time to focus and it seems to have a bit of shutter lag, and photo taken with it were just average. Photo taken during daylight, lack of details, and some of it a bit purple freeing. And zoom to the shot as you can see a watercolor-like effect. And surprisingly, there's a portrait mode on the app, which I never thought that it will be on the phone. And it only works on faces, you can't take any portrait photo in objects. The selfie camera features a 20 megapixel shooter with an f-stop 2.0, and on the bright side you also get an 8 megapixel shooter, which is an ultra wide angle selfie shooter. Again, I'm personally not a fan of beautification mode, and even though when you turn it all the way down you still look a bit beautified. Selfie isn't bad either, but I find it way better than the main camera. Then again, if we base on megapixel wise, the selfie one has more megapixel compared to the main camera. Then again, I might be wrong. Overall, it's not that bad of a camera phone, but seriously don't expect much from it because it kind of disappoints you. I have an Asus Zenfone Live that takes better photo than this photo. My final verdict is it's not really a bad phone to use as a basic use, not heavy use. With 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, it's really not that bad for the price itself. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button as well. And remember to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links down below, and I will be doing a small giveaway soon, so do follow me on my social media platform. And stay tuned guys, see you guys next time, bye!